Trump urges tech giants to stop hiring in India. Former US President Donald Trump has urged tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon to stop hiring in India and instead prioritize American workers. Speaking at a campaign event, Trump criticized US firms for outsourcing American jobs, saying domestic talent should come first. However, experts say his demand is more rhetoric than reality. The US is currently facing a massive tech talent shortage, producing far fewer engineers than needed, while India churns out over 1.5 million engineering graduates annually. Moreover, the cost efficiency of hiring in India remains unmatched. Tech salaries in India can be 4 to 5 times lower than in the US, allowing companies to scale faster while managing costs. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang: AI will create more millionaires in 5 years than the internet did in 2020. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang predicts that artificial intelligence will generate more millionaires in the next 5 years than the internet did in 2 decades. Speaking on the All In podcast, Huang highlighted AI as a massive equalizer, enabling anyone to become a programmer or creator simply by interacting with AI tools. While unbothered by fears of job loss, he emphasized the urgent need to create new roles and industries. Huang envisions a future where every company has two factories, one for physical products and another for AI development, underscoring AI's growing role in reshaping business and driving global economic transformation. Google launches Opal, an AI-powered tool for visual app creation. Google has entered the AI-driven vibe coding space with Opal, a new tool that lets users build mini web apps using simple text prompts. Currently in testing via Google Labs in the US, Opal processes descriptions through Google's AI models and displays a visual workflow for easy editing and app customization. Users can publish and share their creations, even remix existing apps. Targeted at non-coders and creatives, Opal rivals tools like Figma and Replit by simplifying app development with a visual interface. The move reflects Google's push to democratize coding and make AI-powered development accessible to a broader audience. Meta appoints ex-OpenAI researcher Shengjia Zhao as chief scientist of Superintelligence Unit. Meta has named Shengjia Zhao, former OpenAI researcher and co-author of the original ChatGPT paper, as chief scientist of its new Superintelligence AI unit. Zhao joins under Alexander Wang, Meta's chief AI officer, and will help lead Meta's push toward artificial general intelligence (AGI). This move sidelines AI veteran Yan Lekin, who now reports to Wang. Meta has aggressively recruited top AI talent from rivals like OpenAI, Google, and Apple, offering massive compensation. With Zhao at the helm and a new model codenamed Behemoth in the works, Meta is positioning itself as a serious contender in the AI superintelligence race. Intel's chipmaking future hinges on securing key customers for 14A process. Intel has warned it may exit the chip manufacturing business if it fails to secure major customers for its next-gen 14A chipmaking process. New CEO Lip Boutin revealed the company's foundry future now depends on confirmed customer commitments, as Intel reported looming layoffs and a deeper Q3 loss. The move marks a pivotal moment for Intel, long regarded as a guardian of Moore's Law. Once dominant, the company has lost ground to rivals like AMD and TSMC. Tan said all chip investments are under review and highlighted the urgent need for external partnerships to sustain Intel's cutting-edge manufacturing ambitions. Samsung may offer OpenAI and Perplexity AI on Galaxy S26 as alternatives to Gemini. Samsung is reportedly in talks with OpenAI and Perplexity to integrate alternative AI assistants into its upcoming Galaxy S26 series, expected in early 2026. While Google's Gemini currently powers AI features on Samsung phones, the company is exploring multi-vendor support to offer users more flexibility. Samsung Mobile executive Choi Won-jun confirmed they are open to any agent out there, signaling potential partnerships beyond Google. This move follows Motorola's collaboration with Microsoft, Google, and Perplexity for its AI suite. Samsung has yet to finalize whether the Galaxy S26 will use the Exynos 2600 or Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip. NODWIN Gaming and Sony Live team up to stream Esports World Cup 2025 in India. NODWIN Gaming has partnered with Sony Live to stream select matches of the Esports World Cup 2025 in Hindi and English, expanding the tournament's reach in India. Coverage kicks off with chess on July 24 and BGMI matches from July 25, exclusively on Sony Live. Weekly shows, behind-the-scenes content, and player features will further engage viewers. With a record-breaking $70.45 million prize pool and India's debut representation in Esports chess and BGMI, the tournament promises to be a milestone. This partnership aims to make esports more regional, inclusive, and immersive for Indian audiences, elevating India's presence on the global esports stage. AI tool of the day. Resume Worded. Looking to polish your resume or LinkedIn profile? Try Resume Worded, an AI-powered platform that gives instant feedback on your CV and helps you optimize it for recruiters and ATS bots. It scores your resume on impact, brevity, and relevance, and even offers tailored suggestions based on job roles. Perfect for techies and job seekers looking to stand out in a competitive market. AI. Trump urges tech giants to stop hiring in India. Former US President Donald Trump has urged tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon to stop hiring in India and instead prioritize American workers. Speaking at a campaign event, Trump criticized US firms for outsourcing American jobs, saying domestic talent should come first. However, experts say his demand is more rhetoric than reality. The US is currently facing a massive tech talent shortage, producing far fewer engineers than needed, while India churns out over 1.5 million engineering graduates annually. Moreover, the cost efficiency of hiring in India remains unmatched. Tech salaries in India can be 4 to 5 times lower than in the US, allowing companies to scale faster while managing costs. Trump. And that's a wrap on today's IT Voice Bulletin. From hiring politics to AI-driven wealth and creation, technology is at the heart of everything, and we are here to help you make sense of it all. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to IT Voice, and join us tomorrow for more trending headlines and another powerful AI tool. I'm Rini Gupta, signing off. Stay curious, stay connected.